Happy birthday. Well, it is so hot outside. You do not want that hot stuff coming inside the house. And so Ron Mertz is joining us this morning with Window Depot to show us the correct way to keep the heat outside where it belongs. It's good to see you.
Put it on the outside. Let's
Yes.
put a big barrier.
No kidding, 100 degrees outside just about. And inside, you don't want to be running that air conditioner constantly. If you have the right windows, you can keep the heat where it belongs.
And you can open up the curtains too.
Yes, that's right. You know, so true. I remember always closing the curtain. You feel like you're in a cave. You never know what's going on anymore. So let's talk about your windows. What makes them special?
First of all, when you get into energy efficient windows, most energy efficient windows out there are double pane.
Okay.
And they're a lot better than what most people have in their home, but still there's a big difference. You know, when you do double pane with low E and argon, you really improve yourself. But then a bigger step than that is our triple pane.
Okay.
And so in our triple pane, we have two complete separate chambers. I have a special type of a spacer that doesn't conduct heat and cold to eliminate that condensation problem in the wintertime.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and we're going to keep all the heat on the outside.
I like that.
And in the wintertime, we keep all the cold on the outside, so both of them.
So here's a perfect test for you in your house. If you're walking by your window and say your living room and you've got the blinds open and the sun is shining, and if you feel a difference from the wall to the window, you need new windows.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
In fact, I can tell you, my windows are more efficient than most people's walls.
Really?
That's really something to tell you.
Very cool.
We've done some of those thermal camera things, and our windows will look blue, which is cool, and the walls will look warmer.
Wow.
You know, so.
Those are energy efficient windows, I tell ya. All right, so you've got a little demo to kind of show us how it works. We'll pretend that's the sun.
This is sun. This is our San Antonio heat.
Yeah.
If we reach out there and feel San Antonio heat, does that
It's
feel like
hot.
San Antonio?
Yes.
It sure does, you know. And then if we stop it real quick, we start right here. Here's what most people have. So we put this out here in front of it, and you can see instantly.
I feel it.
Virtually there's no difference.
Yeah.
It's about 3 or 4% difference, you know. Your normal windows keep out the wind and rain, but they don't keep out heat.
Right.
Then we go to what most people are selling as double pane, low E and argon, which is better, okay? And we stop here, you see here, instead of doing a 100-mile-an-hour spin, now it's only going to do about a 50-mile-an-hour spin.
I still feel the heat.
But there's still a lot of heat coming through. Then we go to our patented triple pane.
Okay.
This is the most energy efficient window on the planet. Here we go. Let's try this one now.
So that's Ron's window right in front of the hot heat, and you can see the little windmilly thing is slowing down.
It's slowing down. That's certainly, it's a heat indicator.
I don't feel any heat coming through whatsoever. And look, it stopped.
It's up.
Wow.
In fact, look, it's starting to move backwards. That's the cold side. If we give it a little shot of heat, it'll stop and start going the other direction.
Oh, man.
That's how efficient that it really is.
That's a really good demo because you can really understand the efficiency of the window and you can really see how it works. Now, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, man, I want to get these in my house right now. The summer is the perfect time to do that. And you've got a really good special offer.
Really good special. Right now, we have 8 triple pane windows for only $32.95 plus installation.
That's a great deal.
That's amazing.
And when you think about the size of your house, I mean, go look around your house. You know, you've probably only got about 8 windows that are facing the sun. Maybe you start in the front of the house and then do the back of the house next year.
That's right.
Yeah.
We're happy to do partials. Let's do what you can afford.
Yeah.
In fact, if you put it on financing, what you save in electricity will almost pay for the financing for the windows.
So true, so true. All right, keep the summer heat out, invest in some great windows, and do it now because Ron has a great special offer for you from our friends at the Window Depot. So good to see you. I'm going to give everybody the information so you guys can call right now. Don't forget, it's 8 triple pane windows for $32.95 plus installation, and it's only available at the Window Depot here in San Antonio at 764-3871. You can find out more online at windowdepottx.com. All right, still to come on San Antonio.